Hey everyone, in today's video, we're tackling an issue that many of you might be facing: VLC Media Player lagging, stuttering, or skipping when playing 4K or 1080p HD videos. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. I'll walk you through 3 effective solutions to fix this issue completely. So, let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open VLC Media Player on your Windows device. This method works for Windows 10, 11, and other versions as well. Once VLC is open, go to the top menu, and you will see multiple options. Simply click on Tools option, and then from the menu, select Preferences, and New Format will appear. In the bottom left corner of the Preferences window, you'll see an option that says Show Settings. Switch this from Simple to All. Now from the left-hand menu, and then find and click on Input Codecs. On the right-hand side, locate the preferred video resolution setting. If it's not already set, change it to Full HD 1080p or Best Available. Once you've made this change, scroll down under Input/Codecs and look for File Caching. Here, you'll see a value. In my case, it's 1000 milliseconds. Whatever value you see, double it. For example, if it's 1000, change it to 2000. And if it's 500, change it to 1000. Once you're done, click Save to apply these changes. Next, let's tweak some advanced video codec settings to ensure smooth playback. Go back to Input Codecs in the settings, and scroll down to the Video Codecs section, and double-click on it, and then double-click on FFmpeg. And on the right-hand side, locate the Threads option. By default, this is set to 0. Change it to 2. Now, from the left-hand menu, select X264. On the right-hand side, look for the number of reference frames setting. Make sure this value is set to 3. If it's currently set to 1, 4, or 5, adjust it to 3. Click Save to save these changes. Finally, let's configure the video output and hardware acceleration settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Video, then select Output Modules. Make sure the Video Output module is set to Automatic. If it's been changed to any other option, switch it back to Automatic. Once done, click on the Save, and then click on the Tools tab at the top, and then select Preferences. Next, head back to Input Codecs and look for the Hardware Accelerated Decoding option at the top. If it's set to Automatic, try switching it to Disable. If it's already disabled, try setting it to Automatic instead. Click Save to apply the changes, then restart VLC Media Player. Once you've made all these adjustments, restart your computer. This ensures that all the new settings are applied correctly. Now, open VLC Media Player again and play your 4K or HD videos. The lagging and stuttering issues should be gone. That's it, folks. I hope this tutorial helps you fix the VLC lagging issue and enjoy your favorite videos without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.